Hello and welcome to Sushna Digital Space Studio. Today we have a jam-packed episode for you. Coming to the first article of today, NASA's Dragon spacecraft have returned to the Earth. So here, after spending 9 months in space, the SpaceX ICC ISS have finally returned to the Earth. Returning of 2 astronauts, Sunita Williams and Butch Wilmore, have stayed in the space over 9 months and returned today in the sea, and unexpectedly a dolphin also came near them in the landing over the sea when they are landing, and this remarkable achievement marks a significant milestone in space exploration. So coming to the second article of today, Israel resumes a combat with Gaza. So here the ceasefire has happening, and here Israel Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu have announced that the war have been reduced, and he even told that he resumed the combat with Gaza with full force over deadly airstrikes. The situation is being closely watched, and with the death toll of already surpassing 400 people. So coming to the third article of today, FDA to enhance the testing over the food for heavy metals in the infant formulas. The US Food and Drug Administration, which is FDA, have announced that and finally decided to step up over the deadly heavy metals in infant formula and review the required minerals and the nutrients food that may occur in this. This drastic step and this aims to be a very well-being of the next generation of the babies. So coming to the fourth article of today, coming to the national news, Election Commission to link voter ID with Aadhaar. Here the significant move have happened that the Election Commission is finally decided to link the voter ID and the Aadhaar to the safely election and to not to occur the fraud in the Aadhaar and the voter ID by the individual, and it can lead to fraud about the Aadhaar links which is occur to the voter ID as well. This drastic step can occur in this initiative as aims to enhance the integrity of the electoral process. So coming to the fifth article of today, India response to Pakistan comments on the Jammu and Kashmir. So here the India have announced and talked that India has given a benefiting talk and the comment on the Pakistan comment, and the India have finally replied a benefiting reply to the Pakistan comment on the Jammu and Kashmir, reaffirming its stance on the region. This development has highlighted the ongoing and tensions between the two countries. So coming to the sixth article of today, India have ranked 24th in the Free Speech Index, and according to the Free Speech Index, the future of the Free Speech Survey, the India is ranked over the 24th rank over of the 33 countries in the speech of right and in terms of the free speech. This ranking have underscores the needs for continued efforts to protect and promote the free speech in our country, of the freedom of free speech and the expression in our country. So these are the articles today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Sushna Digital Space Studio. Thank you for joining us.